Welcome back. We're back testing. We have this Monday, which is not a non-farm payroll Monday. That was last week, but we're going to go ahead and see what we can do this week. So coming in to the month of August, looking on the monthly chart, you can see we took out previous month highs, and we're just consistently going upwards. Nothing to fear. We have this low right here that if we were to go down, I would want to see this low taken out. Because it's an intermittent low as well. So this is like, if we displace through this, and we may see a market structure shift lower coming into these months, maybe go down into this inefficiency over here with this volume imbalance, potentially. Anyways, going into the daily now, we gotta go straight to the PM session, but looks like tapping this 4-hour here. See if we inverse it. We don't, we respect it. We tap this 1 hour down here consistently. We're just meandering around. I need to see this high or this low taken out like right now. See, if we were to, no, there's no inefficiency to short. I mean, this, I guess, respected, but nonetheless, we left equal highs right there. It's a shitty market right now. Let's just wait it out, see what we could get. Okay, there we go. We swept a form of liquidity, which is great. It's still not 4-hour, and time's about to finish, so the day's about to finish. I think I'll just let this day pass, honestly. Looks decent for shorts, though, but yeah. Alright, let's go to the next AM session. That was a shitty session. Here on the daily, we have continuation higher. 4-hour inverse this high. It's inefficiency, so I'm relatively bullish here. I want to see if we could tap like this inefficiency down here. Continue moving higher off of it. That'd be wonderful. Here's that tap. Okay, I like this. Honestly, I do. Don't like that we're in a 5-minute, but I still like longs here. There's London lows taken as well. Now we have a breaker, order block, fair value gap. Okay, we could take this, honestly. Stop below the low. So we'll target around 50 points, which would be all-time highs. And then we have these highs up there, too. So we'll see if we end up going up from this. There's my break-even point. Okay. So we may actually go lower now. I think we'll catch something better in the PM session right now. I don't think this AM session is gonna play out good. Yeah, there's not really much inefficiencies. So like, damn, we're dumping. Let's go to the PM. Let's see if we get a retracement. Yeah, alright, now we might see a continuation lower. Swept a bunch of lows already. So we left equal lows at these lows. I like that. I like it a lot. That's a good target right there. We're already in this hourly. Let's see if we inverse this 15-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute. They get inverse. Let's see what we can get here. This looks like it's gonna just go without us here, honestly. I don't like the slow resistance that we're building, though. Yeah, there we go. Think fully took it. Actually doesn't look that bad. Let me see if there's an SMT. There is, but I don't know if I'm rocking with it, honestly. I'd rather wait it out. What is that? Is that like it is a 5-minute fair value gap order block tap. This would be the highest probability for it delivering lower. Here is our break-even point right there. Yeah, it looks like this would be the best time for it to work, honestly. Stop above that high. Target of 1 to 2. Actually have those lows down there too. I could just target that for a crazy good trade. Here's our break even. Okay. Interesting market, But I don't believe that we're gonna. Okay. Yeah, it's all. Damn, it's gonna work on the 2 p.m. candle. Really, dude? Really? Really? Let's see, maybe we get it here. Interesting. Okay, let's go to the next AM session. Okay. Yeah, breaker right there, order block, 4-hour fair value gap. You have like a market structure shift, but it's not that like prominent since we're in a 4-hour fair value gap. We'll see how we act here. I like that for shorts a lot. That is fucking amazing, honestly. That looks pretty damn good. Honestly, like very good. We have 8:30 news low that we could target. Technically, yeah, it would be smart to go break even right now. Because we swept our break even point, which is this 15-minute right here. It's 15-minute low in this fair value gap. So if it'd be best, yeah, it would be best if we were break even. Fuck, I knew it was gonna work without us. Damn it. Maybe we get an entry here. Let me see. What is that? Is that like a... It's not really a 5-minute. But we are developing this order. Oh, it's 10 a.m. Well, it's gonna go without us. Thank God it didn't. Let's see if we get anything here on a... Oh, 15-minute tap. I didn't even notice that. Okay. That's good. I like that. Then this would be the entry. So we have this. Actually, we'll just enter here. It's okay. And we have a bunch of low resistance liquidity building up below us, as you can see here. So I'm rocking with it. Top right above that high, honestly. And then TP to 8:30 news. We're at our break-even point, but I don't expect it to go up there. Our 1 to 2 would be here. Then it would get hit. Bang, baby. Sorry, I had to just cut through all the bullshit, honestly. It was taking way too long. 1 to 2 would have been hit there, but we went for this low down here, which is a 1 to 2.47, which took about an hour to hit, 51 minutes. It's fine. Alright, let's go to the next session, which would be the PM session. Hourly fair value gap already tapped. This 4-hour swept, which was the target. Oh, it's been swept since Tuesday. Oh no, I got swept Wednesday at 2 a.m. The London session. Hourly up there. Let's see what we do there. No 4-hour, no daily, no nothing. Fair value gap at least. There is an hourly that's been tapped. Alright, we could go either way right now, honestly. Yeah. Okay, it looks pretty strong. Don't like this low resistance that we're building. It can, yeah, okay. I was gonna say it can work, but don't want to be a part of it. And this 5 minute looks good. So I keep going lower. 5 minute inversion. Do we have like anything specific we could target? We'll break even after this low. Yeah, I mean we're not gonna take it, but yeah. We would have got break even. Look at that. Instant break even. It's fine. Fucking hell, that looks beaut. Tap that 5 minute. Just displacing. Delivering from the 1 hour. It's better be the 250. I mean 150 to 210 macro as well. Fuck. Okay, we'll try it. Yeah, this looks pretty good, honestly. Target a 1 to 2 with this low right here. Pretty good. Break even after this current swing low swept. Straight to the stop loss. It's being really weird. Oh wow, we got caught up in chop. It's okay. Honestly happens. Look at the 15 minute. Wow, dude. Unfortunate series of events. And we ended up working out down to that low at least. And lower. Alright, that's fine. Let's go to the next same session here. We're still up a good chunk. We are. Yeah, so we're still up around 4K, which is good. Mm, 1 hour. Alright, we're rocking with shorts for the meanwhile. Time being. Let's see if we can deliver. Be nice if we could. A little bit. Come on, dude, really? This actually looks pretty good if we're rejecting off of something. 4 hours sell side liquidity swept. Daily order. I mean, nothing too crazy. Nothing that I would. Oh, it is an hourly inefficiency sweeping the sell side. If we were to reject higher, it would be this would be the time. Our break-even point would be this 5 minute that we're about to tap right there. Because if there's any chance for it to go higher, it'd be now. We're violating this order block, closing above it. There's that like breaker formation here. I'll rock with it, honestly. Up to that 5 minutes, pretty obvious. Our stop would be below that low, because if we just go down there, we're fucked. Our TP1 could be that high. If we went for a 1 to 2, it would be here. Most likely be hit. Be that 5 minute entry, 15 minute order block. There's a high chance we get break even on this trade, honestly. Yeah, figured. 5 minute order block tapped. What the fuck is this price action doing? Alright, we tap this 5 minute and we meander around, leaving equal highs, so I can't even take that. There's no equal lows though. Is there SMT at these lows? BS looks bullish, like with that one candle displacing higher. Like not bullish overall, just like it might want to go up a little bit, you know, especially since we've been sweeping all these lows, failing to close above it. I mean, failing to close below it. It just doesn't look bearish, honestly. We could try it, honestly, up to these highs at least. Our stop will be like right here. Our TP could be up here for these highs up there. Here's our break-even point. Yeah, well, we got... Unfortunate, but yeah, we got break-even. Can't really do much about it. My entry should have been here, for sure. That should have been the candle I entered on, and that would have been my break-even candle right there. That should have been how I played this, honestly. And, but I skipped 1 minute. I was like, you know what, we didn't really damage ourselves that much. And this 15-minute got tapped there. That could have been the break-even point. We just went break-even at a... I mean, you know, it's a good area to break even because it's equal highs. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. I should have just entered on, like, this candle right here. It's all good. It's all good, man. It's okay. I don't think I would get another entry, right? There's no way I would have been able to enter. Maybe in 5 minutes. Yeah, I got hit already. Well, let's go to the PM. Be nice if I could catch a trade here. Alright, daily wise, 1 hour. 1 hour displacing through these highs, inverting this. I like it. Let's see if we can get a tap into this hourly low. There's that tap. Oh, this looks pretty solid, honestly. Especially with 1 p.m. going down. Fuck, that's IOEFD, Institutional Order Flow Entry Jail. It could be that. Shit, that looks pretty solid, honestly. I can't even deny it. All that low resistance liquidity as well. We may come down to tap that hourly once more, but fucking hell, this is beautiful. Is that like a 15-minute, 5-minute? I should only break even. Okay, well, we've been given a second chance here. Do we have an SMT with these lows? What is that? 118 SMT. 118 SMT. It is an SMT. I'm gonna go break even. Protect myself. If this inverses, then I could take it. Oh, that looks pretty solid. Let's see, what did we tap? 5-minute. Alright, I mean, it looks solid. Honestly, there's equal highs up there too. We can go break even, put it below this low. TP up here for 1 to 2. This is our... No, it's not our break even yet. There it is now. 1 to 2 will be here. You know what? Yeah, let's take it because there's an inefficiency right there. I don't know if I believe that it'll make it. There we go. Oh, it did that too. What was that? 2.78. Yeah, we could have taken it, but it's fine. I wanted to come back up on the account. How much are we up now? Need that money back. Should be 6K. I don't think that was a 1 to 2. Or like I don't think I exited at a 1 to 2. I'm gonna retake that and set my actual uh entry and stop loss and take profit at a 1 to 2 properly this time. Huh. It's just this doesn't make sense. If I'm risking, I just don't believe this is the actual number divided by 2. It is. Okay, so my math was off. Everything was accurate. Okay. That's my bad. There we go. Yeah, this was our break-even point initially. So I'm glad that we didn't get stopped out. And you see how it's critical leaving your stop at a good spot. Especially in choppy conditions, because it may still respect your the 3 things that you have. That's how I trade. I typically like having three things that protect my entry. All right. Shit, that would have been nice if we didn't break that, but all right, let's go to the next aim session here. Friday, 10 a.m. news. Just cut through the bullshit. 5-minute tapped. See if I can get one. I took out the highs, but all right. Wait, let me just see where we're at. Yeah, breaker. I like bullish here for sure. 15-minute order block tapped. 4-hour high yet to be taken. I like that as our target moving forward for Friday. On a daily basis, it looks like we're like in the middle again. Yeah, there it is. We're in the middle of the weekly range. I could see an expansion higher today. I definitely can. 5-minute order. Okay, this looks very solid for longs. Let me see if we could get like... Yeah, alright, I'm taking that 2-minute inversion. This is an A+ setup, honestly. A+ setup. I'm gonna take that. Below this low. Go for a 1 to 2. Just to end the week. There's our break-even point. Let's just get it, but it's probably gonna work out still. Oh, fuck. Why didn't we just displace to this high? But, fuck, it looked so good, too. That's the thing. It looked so beautiful. Man, oh, man. Fucking London highs right there, too. That's probably gonna get hit right now. Oh, maybe we get an entry. What is that? That's an hourly order block, though. 4-hour order block. 4-hour swept. Coming down. Crashing. 5-minute almost inverse, but not yet. I don't know, man. I'm not. Ooh. Let's go to the next aim session. Let's see what we did so far. This dashboard. Analytics. We're up 99% on the account. So far, so good. August, we're up 16.25 on the initial balance. Current balance, we're up 8.86. So that's still very good. We're still averaging good amount. We're averaging like 9% each month. But yeah, we're doing very well here. Let's see how many more weeks we have left of August. Maybe we can. Oh, we're halfway through August. Is good. Let's do another week here. Lately, it's been harder for me to backtest. Like, not like trading wise, not being like not catching trades. No, I'm talking about like actually wanting to backtest, because it's like, bro, it gets really repetitive. Like, it's being the same thing over and over again, which is so good. That's what I can ask. That is the best thing I can ask for, is for it to be repetitive on my end, because that means I'm set. Like, I'm good. Like, the level of confidence that you have to be able to be like, backtesting is now officially super boring to me, because it's just, I won't stop. There's no way I could stop. I'm gonna do 2021 and probably 2020 as well. Maybe 2020. I'll see how I'm feeling. But it's like, it's when you finally start understanding it, and it's like, oh, it's just the same thing over and over again. All right, it's like it's mentally draining to get back on and on and on. It's like, all right, well, I'm doing it in the live market, I'm doing it back testing, I've been doing it for so long, but I mean, it's good, you know, we're doing good, you know. And maybe that's why this year in particular my win rate is lower. It's because I've been just taking a lot of shittier trades that I wouldn't take in a live market, because I get bored. I guess I get bored. Like, there's no denying it. It gets boring, like, it really does. So it's been harder for me to like get on these lives and trade it, you know, because it's like, okay, well, I know I'm gonna win. And it sounds cocky, and it sounds like, hey, you know, like, I'm very grateful that I can do it. That's the thing. I'm very grateful. But it's like, would you still, if you were working a 9 to 5 job and you've been working at it for a year, would you still want to go to those, like, you get trained once, right? You get trained once for 2 weeks, whatever it may be. Would you still want to get trained and trained and trained every fucking week, or like once a month for the past 2 years and every year moving forward? No, it's boring. You're like, okay, I already know this stuff. I know how it's gonna work. You know, there's not gonna be anything different. It's like, you know, you get bored. All right, well, let's continue here. Let's see if we can get anything. Even I really don't want to backtest right now. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel right anymore. It's like I'm struggling to make it through the months here. Well, let's go to the PM since it's Monday. Met our objectives. Oh, chat, I think I'm gonna end it here. I really don't feel like backtesting. At least not right now. But if we look at the dashboard and see how we're moving, if we go to analytics, see this year in particular, you know, when the year finishes out, it'll look better. But yeah, we did pretty good here so far. We're halfway through August and we're demolishing stats consistently. All right. Damn, March was great. March was really good. Wow. But our best was for sure July with a 22% increase, which is what is the average annual return of the S&P 500, about 10% annually. So I mean, just July itself, we did twice as good as we the S&P. Averaging, if we take this number and divide it by 8.5, 11%. So we're averaging the annual S&P return monthly. Annual return monthly, basically.